As the student involvement platform, Be Involved offers students many opportunities to get involved in organizations and events around campus. Furthermore, it also offers you the opportunity as a student to manage your own involvement through your personalized profile. We can locate this profile using the tab at the top of the screen. In the upper right-hand corner, you will see your name. When you click on your name, you will see Involvement, Messages, Settings, and Support. If you click on this Involvement section, you will be directed to your own personalized profile. Called the My Involvement portion, you will see tabs indicating memberships, events, experiences, interests, service hours, submissions, and curriculum progress. Using this portion of the site, you can manage your own Be Involved page and profile. In further videos, we will discuss each of these tabs and how to utilize them for the best Be Involved experience.